Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. It's very easy and just a two-step process. In the first method, we need to go to search bar, type your settings and click here to open it. On this window, click on these three lines and go to accessibility. Now just scroll down and we need to find out keyboards. Select it. We need to disable this option, filter keys. Also disable these two options also. Now close this window, and the second way to fix the issue is just right click on the start icon, open device manager. You can also open it from here. Just go to search bar, type your device manager, click here to open it. On this window we need to expand keyboards. Here it is. Right click on the particular device, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, you need to simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and yeah, you're good to go.